Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the can't login error in Claude 2026. Getting stuck on the login screen in Claude can be frustrating, especially when you need it urgently. And if you're seeing a can't login issue, don't worry. In today's video, I'll walk you through all the working fixes so you can get back and get your Claude account back fast. Now you might be encountering errors like this, elevated errors for requests to Claude Fortinet or elevated error on Claude AI. Now to fix these issues, we're gonna go to Claude. We're gonna make sure you log in with your accounts either by Google or your Claude account. And the first thing you want to do is to check your internet connection. Claude needs a stable connection, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Or if you use your PC, you can switch between Wi-Fi networks. You can turn mode plane on and off again. Then you can also use the Ethernet for a more stable internet. Many login errors are network related. You can even restart your router if needed. Now the second thing is to verify your login method. Make sure you're using the same method you signed up with, either email, Google, etc. You can view that here. And if you're on desktop, make sure to clear the cookies and cache. You can do that by clicking on the three dots, and you're gonna go and click on delete data, navigation data, and you're gonna choose cookies and cache. Now from here, you can also open Claude in incognito mode or private window. And also make sure to update the app or the browser. Outdated apps often cause login issues, so update the Claude app if you're using mobile, or browser if you're using Chrome or Safari or Edge in your computer. Now, you can also try to log in from another device. You can log in from a different phone, tablet, or computer to confirm whether the issue is device specific or from the Claude end. Now, most Claude login problems are easy to fix once you know where to look. By checking your connection, login method, and app version, you can usually get back in within minutes. And if the issue persists, it's likely a temporary and it will resolve on itself. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.